You're looking for a shelving system that you can simply dismantle in a number of seconds. Hang just about anything imaginable on in different lengths and so forth. We're going to show you what you get and what the system's about. Here's a spot we can hang up outdoors, a shelving unit. Put up a shelf, different lengths and more. Pay us fee, 12-inch shelf unit bracket piping. They come in black and they're made of metal. They got the iron look and the 12 inches all protected. You have the hardware anchors and screws and C-clips to place on, and the end caps as well. In this kit you get 6 piping, 6 caps that screw on either end, and 6 brackets that screw on with 3 holes, with anchors and screws, and clamps for the shelving to lock into place. You get everything but a level, drill, and bit. You have your 2 pipes all set up, your shelf goes on, and you attach your bracket to lock down into place. We're going to demonstrate placing 1 or 2 up and show you what it looks like. It gives a rustic, artistic, classic look to the house. It's a plumbing material painted in black, put together 1/2 inch and 1/2 inch piping. They come in makes and models in different sizes. Check online for further detail. Find a spot where you want to hang your shelving unit and place on. Lock all 3 down. With the second one made up and a board laid on top to level, screw down. Placing any width preferred, check for level. Up to a 12-inch plus board can be placed on for the shelving. Put your seat bracket in place and a screw, lock down. Paint your shelves from temporary to permanent storage. You have here is a strong piping system for shelving garages, studios, kitchens, and more to hang anything imaginable. Depending on the length of shelf you put on, you can lock down into place and hang things on the tips and the back. It is your choice up to a 14-inch pipe system for a 12-inch shelf or more. They could be placed in lengths and many pipes across. Make one solid shelf with the 6-pipe system. Enjoy your product if this is something that you are looking for in a shelving system need. Thank you for viewing.